Hi guys, welcome in this video. So this is essay from test 2 Cambridge 18. So essay says some university students want to learn about other subjects in addition to their main subjects. Others believe it is important to give all their time and attention to studying for qualification. So means your first view is saying that students are actually giving time to other subjects, additional subjects or supplementary subjects we can say. So subjects which they are additionally choosing according to their interest. And the second view says that people are suggesting to students to give their all time, all their efforts, attention to studying the qualification. So further this essay demands to discuss both views, and then further we are to give our own opinion. And as per my all videos, first of all I'm going to do planning as I have understood what actually is the demand of my essay. And in body paragraph A I am going to take first view, which is talking about the idea of studying diverse subjects. Else course 1 means why students choose these different subjects. And then in body paragraph 2 I will focus on the notion of focusing only on core option. Now let us start making arguments for both views. Now first of all, if students are focusing on diverse subjects, so they can have all-round knowledge and they can be multi-talented and it can be helpful in future workplace. That is our first point. And then further it can also be helpful to have change and recreate interest in main subject after a while. Means if you are studying for a long time and you want to change, then you can take up these subject options and you can change your mind. And as well as that way, third point says that it will lead to less possibility of dropout, because if you will continue studying same subjects for a long time, you may feel boredom, and these subjects can be very hard for students to tackle. So that also is the additional thing. And now I think 3 points are more than enough. We will elaborate these 3 points and let us move to the second body paragraph, where we are going to talk about notion of focusing on only core option. So why? I think first reason can be the detailed knowledge, as these things will give you strong concepts. You can have mastery, and then you can have impressive course completion, which can also impress your employers. Fine. And then the second point can be, if a student is capable of doing it, that means he will be able to overcome distractions. So there will be no distractions, confusions, and a student can have sharp focus. That way student can improve concentration and can have strong mind control, right? So then with this we have come to the conclusion that no doubt we are actually making contrasting statement, and we are taking second view first in our conclusive sentence, and we are saying no doubt complete focus on single subject would yield to in-depth knowledge. Definitely student is going to have in-depth knowledge in particular field, but this would stop diverse knowledge. Means a student won't be having diverse information. So hence, as per my opinion, now I am introducing my opinion, having all round knowledge is far better than specialty in single field in current scenario and for future prospect. So means presently as well as for future point of view, the idea of having diverse knowledge is far better. That way I want to say. And now let us start writing essay. So now while writing introduction, our main motto is to rephrase the main sentences. So both views, and first view can be written as, there is enthusiasm of grabbing diverse knowledge among university goers, else their main course. And then second view can be, however many people oppose this notion and advise to put all energy in attaining expertise in one field. Okay, that way our main ideas have been introduced, and let us come to the thesis sentence. This essay further endeavors deeply to analyze both perspectives to reach suitable ending. right? So introduction is done, and now let us come to body paragraph 1, and let us start with topic sentence. And the connector we are using is to set wheels in motion. To set wheels in motion, and let us make now topic sentence. Here is idea of studying diverse subjects else course 1, right? And our first point is having all round knowledge and being multi-talented. So let us start with connector. Primarily this will help pupils gain all round knowledge, and this step would make them multi-talented, and then they will become valuable asset in job market. So our sentence will become, this step would make them multi-talented and valuable asset in job market. That way our first point is over. Now let us come to the second point and use connector additionally. So additionally, learning diverse subjects can be stress buster. So because we are going to talk about recreation, can be stress buster, because by studying same topic every time things become monotonous. So we are elaborating this thing, and so having multiple options to study would recreate mood, and learners can overcome boredom, right? That way our second point has been put, and now we are going to talk about less possibility to drop out. Let us use connector first, as well as this reduces possibility of learners to drop out. Now let us develop this point further using connector. Actually, studying hard topics every time can drain their excitement, and they may give up study. But having other interesting matters can attract interest. So here we are ending our body paragraph 1, and now let us come to body paragraph 2. Let us use connector first of all on the flip side, and now let us make topic sentence. People strongly agree for focusing on only course option mainly. Why people are focusing? And because it gives detailed knowledge, because that is our first point. It gives detailed knowledge which makes strong concepts, right? And now let us develop this point further. This can yield to course completion with flying colors, and which can impress employer. So here we have completed our first point, and then another connector we are using is foremost, because we think that further point is far better than our initial point. So that's why foremost, and we are talking about no confusion, no distraction. Let us make this point foremost. This approach removes distraction and sharpens focus, right? And further let us develop this. While handling tough courses, pupils may get depressed, but with strong determination they can learn to control mind and improve their concentration, right? So mind control, improving concentration, all these things have been discussed, and that way our second body paragraph also ends here. Now further let us simply take our conclusion as it is, which we early made. So, and let us make now full-fledged connector. In conclusion, no doubt complete focus on single subject would yield to in-depth knowledge, but this can stop diverse information. Hence, as per my opinion, having all-round knowledge is far better than specialty in single field in current scenario and for future prospect. So here this essay ends, and it is having length of 258 words, and is covering all main ideas, and is having lexical variety, grammatical connectivity, accuracy, grammatical range, and coherence and cohesion, and is also giving you good task response. So that way it is becoming a good task which can deserve higher bands. So here this video ends. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video. Praveen Khanna is signing off.